The ocean is full of surprises. Sometimes the ocean gives us beautiful views, and sometimes it threatens our lives. But did you know that the ocean has a lot of secrets? In today's video, we will talk about 7 surprising facts related to the ocean that you didn't know before. You will love watching this video till the end. So, without any further ado, let's start. 7. Bioluminescence. What do you think would be the feeling of swimming in the ocean at night and seeing the beautiful view of blue light all around you? Here, you can see the blue light coming from the waves. This beautiful view is because of the bioluminescence of the ocean. But what is bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is a natural light produced by living things. Bioluminescence is seen in various organisms, including some species of bacteria, fungi, algae, and single-celled organisms. Some of the most beautiful examples of bioluminescence are the jellyfish and the plankton. Plankton emit light when they are disturbed. Bioluminescence is the result of a chemical reaction inside the organism. The chemical reaction involves a molecule called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, and oxygen. When these 3 substances come together in the right conditions, they emit light. Bioluminescence serves various purposes for the organisms that possess it. It can be used for camouflage, attracting prey, or deterring predators. For example, some deep-sea creatures use their bioluminescence to camouflage themselves against the light coming from above. This helps them to hide from predators who are looking for a tasty meal. Others use their light to attract prey or to confuse potential predators. Imagine stumbling upon a glowing jellyfish or a blue wave while diving in the ocean. Wouldn't it be a beautiful experience? Let us know in the comments section below how you feel about this. 6. Underwater volcanoes. Where do you think the beautiful coral reefs are located? That's right, they are in the ocean. Did you know that underwater volcanoes also create coral reefs? Some of the most beautiful underwater volcanoes are located in the Indian Ocean. But what are underwater volcanoes? An underwater volcano is a volcano that is located under the ocean. Just like volcanoes that erupt above the ground, underwater volcanoes erupt underwater. However, unlike their terrestrial counterparts, underwater volcanoes are usually smaller and erupt more frequently. Underwater volcanoes can form in a variety of ways, but they all involve the buildup of magma beneath the ocean floor. As the magma rises, it can create a mountain-like structure. When the pressure is high enough, the magma erupts and creates a new landmass or adds to an existing one. Underwater volcanoes can have a significant impact on the surrounding environment. They can create new habitats for marine life or alter the chemistry of the ocean water. In some cases, underwater volcanic eruptions can even trigger tsunamis. So, friends, next time you go for a swim in the ocean, keep an eye out for underwater volcanoes. You never know when one might erupt and create a new island. Number 5. Ocean currents. The ocean is always moving. There are constant movements of water in the ocean. These movements of water are called ocean currents. But why are these ocean currents important? Ocean currents are important because they help to regulate the Earth's climate. They transport heat from the equator to the poles and help to moderate temperatures around the globe. Ocean currents also play an important role in weather patterns. They can bring warm or cold air to different parts of the world, which can result in rain, snow, or other forms of precipitation. Ocean currents also impact marine life. They can transport nutrients and oxygen to different parts of the ocean, which supports the growth of plants and animals. Marine animals also use ocean currents for transportation. They can travel long distances without expending much energy by simply floating along with the current. So ocean currents are an important part of the Earth system. They play an important role in regulating the climate, weather, and marine life. So next time you're at the beach, take a moment to appreciate the power of the ocean currents. Number 4. El Niño. What is El Niño? Niño is a Spanish term meaning the little boy. It is used to describe a climate pattern that occurs in the Pacific Ocean. During an El Niño year, the waters of the eastern Pacific Ocean near South America are warmer than usual. This happens because the trade winds that normally blow from east to west weaken or even reverse direction. This allows the warm water that normally accumulates in the western Pacific Ocean to spread eastward. So what happens during an El Niño year? During an El Niño year, the warmer than usual water temperatures in the eastern Pacific Ocean can cause a number of changes in weather patterns around the world. For example, in some years, El Niño can cause heavy rainfall and flooding in South America. In other years, it can lead to drought in Australia and Southeast Asia. El Niño also has an impact on marine life. The warmer water temperatures can cause the fish populations to decline and also lead to the proliferation of harmful algae. El Niño is a complex phenomenon that is driven by a number of factors. But one thing is for sure, El Niño is a powerful force that can have far-reaching impacts on our planet. 3. Sunken cities. There are many cities in the world that are located near the ocean. Some of these cities are built on coastlines or on islands. But what happens when these cities sink into the ocean? Sunken cities are cities that have been destroyed by natural disasters such as tsunamis, earthquakes, or rising sea levels and are now underwater. Sunken cities are a fascinating part of history, and they offer us a unique glimpse into the past. Many of the world's most famous ancient cities are now sunken, such as the Greek city of Atlantis, the Roman city of Pompeii, and the Mayan city of Tulum. These cities were once bustling metropolises, but they were eventually lost to the sea. Sunken cities are a reminder of the power of the ocean. The ocean is a powerful force of nature, and it can destroy even the greatest cities. But they are also a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. Even when cities are lost to the ocean, people are able to rebuild and move on. Sunken cities are also a source of mystery, because many of them are so old they haven't been explored very thoroughly. There is still a lot that we do unknow about these cities and what happened to the people who lived there. Number 2. Upwelling. Upwelling is a fascinating and important ocean phenomenon that brings nutrient-rich water to the surface. This process plays a crucial role in supporting marine life and shaping coastal ecosystems. Picture this: along certain coastlines, a peculiar process takes place. Cold, nutrient-dense water from the depths of the ocean rises to the surface. This continuous upwelling brings with it an abundance of essential nutrients that sustain a thriving ecosystem. But what exactly causes this intriguing phenomenon? Upwelling occurs when winds blow offshore, which causes surface water to move away from the coast. This creates a void that is quickly filled by the cold, nutrient-rich water from the depths. As a result, the marine life that relies on these nutrients explodes. Imagine a rich tapestry of vibrant colors as schools of fish and an array of marine creatures flourish in these nutrient-rich waters. Upwelling brings with it an ecological abundance that is truly remarkable. No. 1. Ocean noise pollution. The ocean is full of noise. Ships, boats, oil and gas exploration, and other human activities produce a lot of noise that can travel through the water and impact marine life. But why should we care about this noise? Shouldn't the ocean just be able to handle it? The answer is no. Noise pollution can have a negative impact on marine life. It can interfere with their ability to communicate, hunt for food, and avoid predators. It can even damage their hearing. One study found that noise pollution from shipping has increased by 10 decibels in some areas over the past decade. This is equivalent to doubling the amount of noise. Another study found that noise pollution from oil and gas exploration can stress out whales and dolphins, causing them to strand themselves on beaches. So what can we do to reduce noise pollution in the ocean? One way is to promote the use of quieter ships and boats. Another way is to limit the amount of oil and gas exploration that takes place in sensitive areas. By taking these steps, we can help protect the ocean and the amazing animals that live there. That's all for today, folks. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. We've explored the fascinating world of the ocean and uncovered some truly mind-blowing facts that you did unknow you needed, but will be glad you have. From the magical bioluminescence of marine creatures to the underwater volcanoes that shape our planet, the ocean never ceases to amaze. But it's not just about the wonders beneath the surface. We've also delved into the impact of human activities on the ocean, such as noise, pollution, and its effects on marine life. It asks a sobering reminder of the responsibility we have to protect and preserve the health of our oceans. As we wrap up this journey through the depths of knowledge, I encourage you to continue exploring, asking questions, and diving deeper into the mysteries that lie ahead. Who knows what other incredible discoveries await us in the vast expanse of our planet's watery embrace. Until next time, keep those brain cells active. Stay curious and keep diving into the endless ocean of knowledge. Thanks for joining me on this incredible adventure. Remember the ocean's wonders, and we've only scratched the surface. Keep diving deep, keep asking questions, and keep protecting our precious marine ecosystems. Together, we can ensure that these wonders are enjoyed by generations to come. Bye for now, and happy exploring.